llamamos y se pone contenta. Esta Willy y ya cumplió los 30. Después de las 12 no los cuenta. No la llamen el jangueo.
Well, real quick, I guess, where are we at right now?
Oh yeah,
MotoGP, Austin,
Texas.
Austin.
It's
The biggest.
we haven't came back out in a while, but it linked up to where we had off time and we had time to come out, so we came out. We're here supporting the lad, Jack Miller.
You can hear him.
You can hear him in the distance.
Oh, you can hear him.
Sometimes we wish we did this instead, but
Way cool.
just enjoy it. Just enjoy it.
Hell yeah.
Unreal.
Oh, let's
Oh my
fucking
God.
go.
Let's go.
Get it, boys, get it. Get into it.
Dude, they're all coming over this side.
That is so fast.
That is a little bit off, and you're like completely screwed. Gotta get those tires
They just hand these out to anyone now, hey?
Man, I don't even got one, bro. That's how you know if you're important.
That's when you're VIP. They haven't even got the pass made yet.
Pretty wild.
Prison. Beautiful, beautiful. Checking on the lads.
Yeah.
After Q2. Got to
Get some
watch a bit.
pointers? You got some pointers to give them?
I haven't got nothing for these guys. It's, just praises, that's all, just praises.
Yeah.
No pointers.
Look at that. We are known. Look at that. I'm being a fat boy. I'm focused on what I'm going to eat next. You know, this looks really nice. I should savor it. Come see you.
How are you
guys? All good?
Good, good.
How are you? Good? Not bad actually.
This is the legend that keeps everyone fed, the hospitality,
Yeah.
everyone.
The real MVP right
The
here.
real MVP. People don't see him. He's working all day like a one-armed bricklayer in Baghdad. Busy, busy, busy.
Best chef worldwide. Yeah. Worldwide. Not even.
Oh, yeah.
Goosebumps.
Goosebumps.
Grazie. So we're not just gonna walk right in? Because like it's a little bit weird. Like I was just gonna just walk straight in.
Mark, hey, good to see ya. How are you doing?
bummed not racing right now. Hopefully they can come back and be ready for outdoor season. I know they're gonna kill it. Let's go, baby.
Hell yeah.
Orange, yeah.
Hey, good luck in the outdoors. Appreciate it, Michael Byrne. You're the coolest guy here. Burner's the goat.
Burner's the guy, dude.
People's champ.
That was a big compliment right there.
Big. Not too bad, right?
Work's done for the day. Time to go and watch the sprint race.
I'm like a week and a half out from getting back on the bike as well, so I've made a lot of good progress. I took 2 months off of my healing time, so
Hey, good luck, man. Hey, good to see you. Be safe.
hey,
Go
good
get
luck
it.
today.
Don't buy so many watches.
But it's so unreal to see, like over that blind hill towards the back, so close.
We just conduct the acceleration. Still lose on that.
Yeah, you
top
see a
speed,
bit.
that's it. But on brace and going in, we are good.
So I think it's so sick to watch. Like because we were standing on the blind corner, and like at the very top, there's like a bump, and then in the middle of the turn also there's another one. The bike moves so much.
You're on a lean angle and just fucking ride, and the thing.
From the outside, it's crazy. Even us, we get scared.
Yeah.
From the outside.
We're shitting ourselves standing there because we just imagine imagine being on the bike.
I would not say that riding is a lot more relaxed because probably not.
Like it's coming in.
What about you?
They said you've been putting in the work trying to get. Well, you ready? Well, you ride this week. Yeah.
Yeah. Just
It's nice to be back.
8:30s.
Yeah.
Just
glad I got you
just
back.
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Good first week back.
That's good.
Just no, it's good, mate. But
You gotta get dressed.
yeah, we'll get out of here.
You're off, boys. Come back.
Yeah, we're gonna come back and hang out. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Get after it.
Later.
Realistic.
Yeah, good to see you, mate. Anytime. Good to see you, Tommy. Good luck, mate. Go get him.
Yeah, bro, what do you think?
Bro, this is it. This is it. MotoGP.
Yeah, sexiest man in Mexico.
Hey, but I'm taking, ladies. Sorry.
What do you think?
This is sick. We're getting to go on the grid. The guys are, I think they're going to go for a sighting lap, and then they pull up, and they chill under the umbrellas. It's so sick. Gosh, it's a lot cooler than dirt bikes, I think.
Can you imagine we had this in Supercross?
It would be awesome, honestly. I reckon it'd be cool if they did that more, but we need, like, obviously these guys have so much time to do it, so it's like, I think that's the struggle that we have. We don't have a lot of time always, but hopefully in the future maybe, because this is like top tier stuff for like two-wheel sports, you know, so if we can keep reaching closer and closer to this, I think it would be pretty sick.
Hell yeah.
96. You see, P1, baby. P1, 96.
Woo! Love to see that. What do you think?
I'm in love. So good. This legend.
Hey,
Hunter Lawrence. Hey man, how are you?
big legend.
Pleasure. Yeah, it's a legend here.
What are you guys doing here for the night?
It's like, holy shit. bro.
Dirt bikes.
We both race in motocross.
What are you doing, Tommy?
What do you think?
I'm ready. Sprint race, Saturday, Austin. Weather's beautiful. On the grid.
Let's do it.
I know. We got to go for the Aussie boy Millsy though, right? He's been fucking laying it down all weekend. So I'm Team Jack Miller for life.
Let's go.
I'm turning up the fire when you speak. 'Cause if my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to rock it. I go.
kind of you guys.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That was solid, dude.
I don't make it.
A couple of years.
You're actually pretty close. Not gonna lie.
Just like a year ago. God, you kind of that. You look like a guy.
Speaking like this, ¿cómo estás, cabrón? What you bringing, eh? Dámelo todo. Pero chill, eh? Give me that look. I don't like it, man. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the channel, guys. New channel in Spanish.
Oh my god.
99 Kriegsminister, Streichholz und Benzinkanister hielten sich für schlaue Leute. Wir taten schon fette Beute, riefen Krieg und folgten Macht. Mann, wer hätte das gedacht, dass es einmal so weit kommt? Wegen 99 Luftballons. Wegen 99 Luftballons. Jahre Krieg ließen keinen Platz für Sieger. Kriegsminister gibt's nicht mehr und auch keine Düsenflieger. Heute zieh ich meine Runden, sehe den Trümmern liegen, hab Luftballon gefunden.
Take it to your car, please. Make your way quickly.
I got the results.
I did. My last lap was my best lap, and then they put the slow on. I think Jetson had it. He got the line in the water fast. I think Jet had it.
Yeah, Jet P1,
Yeah.
P2, Jacob P3, P4, P5.
Yes.
P4, P4.
Bro, I hit one of those little.
I won the race though. I had the racecraft.
Yeah, how was
I see the racecraft type shit.
how was your weekend type
Good.
shit? Yeah.
It's just getting started.
My back is sore from the turn after the finish line jump. When we got out of the
You
finish line,
hit the curb once. It was like, yeet.
Okay, guys, so that was quali. It was cool. We're coming back tomorrow.
I'm asking for 21 again.
All right, the true behind the scenes right here.
We're getting
They're posting their own posts.
So that's a first for me. I'm doing TikTok.
We're gonna throw Gunther,
Yeah, we're gonna do
Gunther Steiner, legend, like a f***ing banker over here, doing our own Instagram
I need to
post.
fix my shackers because my pinky's bent. Look how bent my pinky is. Why is it so bad?